Hello, everybody. I'm going to make a video for my channel members because somebody asked me, Adam, when you buy options, can you share it with us? And to this, I'm going to say, sure, I can. So I had a lot of options that I was buying in crypto, which is basically for miners and things like that. And they were extremely, extremely risky. So I don't want to share those type of plays. However, today I did end up buying Sofi and Robinhood options, which I'll share with you right now. These are Jesse plays. If you guys know Jesse, I was able to run up my Sofi last time up until when Sofi was like at $10 and change. I ended up selling out at a really big profit, bought a lot of crypto, and now Sofi went down to around $7.30. So I bought back in, and I did this based on the charts and essentially what Jesse is doing. Robinhood, I was buying all the way from $8, kept DCAing, and Robinhood flew to 13 and change. I didn't sell any. And as Robinhood was going down, I consistently added more. And today I added a significant amount more. So today's play is going to be Sofi January 2025 expiration, $15 strike. And for Robinhood, it's going to be January 2025 expiration, $20 strike. Let me show you what I'm talking about. And as always, this non-financial advice is purely entertainment and education. If you make money, fantastic. If you lose money, that's on you. Let me show you. All right. First of all, we're down another $10,000 in the public account. We are now under $500,000. We are now at $499,000. Year to date, I am down $104,000. It has been a very rough 2.5 weeks. But these things happen, and I just want to explain to you in theory, get your mind right, drink a shot, smack your face, look in the mirror, and, ball up. Do what you got to do and buy conviction plays. Only the plays that you have conviction on. The first play is going to be Sofi. Sofi currently is down $7.23. If you look at Sofi, Sofi had an amazing, amazing run up right around from the $6 and change. It went all the way up to $10.30. And I sold right around here, like literally like $10 and change, and started buying the crypto. And then from $10, it went all the way down to $7.24. So right now there's a huge opportunity, because if Sofi goes from $7.24 back to $10, you're not going to be making the 40% gain. You're probably going to be up like 150% gain in the same amount of time frame, which I'll show you in just a moment. So that's the first play. And the second play is Robinhood. And Robinhood, what ended up happening over the last 3 months, Robinhood went all the way down to around $8. I had Robinhood. I started buying Robinhood options somewhere like right here. And then right when it dropped to $8, I ended up buying more Robinhood options on the money, $8 strike prices for 2026, not 2025. Long story short, I ended up buying earlier today a shit ton more, because Robinhood went all the way up to $13.26, and now it is at $10. And like I said, if it goes from $10.40 back to $13, you're not just going to make 30% return on your money. You're probably going to make 100% return on your money, and I'll show you in just a moment. First, Robinhood. How do you buy the options? You press trade hood options. Instead of sell, you're going to do buy. Expiration, you're going to go right here, and you're going to go all the way down to January 17th, 2025. And as you can see, I already have I have 278 of these contracts. In this account, I didn't buy. I bought it in a different account, but this is how it goes right here. It would cost you 65 cents per contract. This is the premium that you're paying. Remember, when we're selling, we're collecting the premium. But when we're buying, we're paying the premium. It's 65 cents per share, 100 shares per contract. It would cost you $65 for one contract. This is going to be the Sofi play. And if you guys are confused, just let me know. I'll explain things a little bit better. I know I'm going a little fast. So yeah, trade Sofi options. Over here, you go buy instead of sell, buy call, expiration. You're going to go to January 17th, 2025. You're going to go right here to $15 strike. and this is going to be 62 cents. You don't see me having these contracts because I bought the contracts in a different account. So, but I have these specific contracts. You press this right here, you press continue. As I said, 62 cents per share. 62 times 100 gives you $62. This is the play right here. All right. Now let me show you a options calculator. This is a really good options calculator, and it's called Options Profit Calculator. Long call. If you go over here, type in SoFi, they're going to automatically give you the price. And if you go a little bit lower, you press agree, and then you're going to do a range. Let's say SoFi is going to be somewhere between $10, let's say, all the way up to $20. Remember, you have a $15 strike. Let's say in the next year, it's going to be between $10 and $20. All right. Okay. Press calculate. And over here, you would press select your option. So you would see the price. It would be January 17th, 2025. You're going to go all the way over here to $15. And there goes that 62 cents. Now you're going to press calculate. It's going to give you this screen right here. I'm going to explain to you how to read the screen. Just give me one moment. I have to make this a little bit smaller so that you guys can actually see. So the contract is going to expire right here on January. But in reality, you want to get out of these contracts 3 months before. So not January 15th, not December 15th, not November 15th. You want to be out somewhere in October. After October, because you're buying a contract, the theta decay or time decay is absolutely gonna smoke you. So let's do it like this. Let's go all the way down, and let's say that the price of SoFi in October is going to be $15. Okay, very simple. How do I know 15? Go all the way to the left, 15 right here. I'm looking at this line. If you go to the 15 line, that is an increase of 107% from where we are right now. Right now, we're at 7 and change. Double that, you get 15. So at the same time that SoFi goes 107% up, you are going to be going up 250%. So you are going up double or 2.5, whatever the stock is going up. It's massive. However, if you could do this a little bit earlier, let's say this happens in July, all of a sudden, SoFi went up 107%, but you went up 379%. You know, it's extremely, extremely strong. And let's say, for example, SoFi can go to $17, right? Or right here, let's go $17. Well, SoFi would go up 135%, but you would be up 500%, depending on when this happens. Let's say worst case scenario, SoFi only goes to $10. Well, SoFi at $10 would only be up 51%. Remember this towards the end of the year. However, let's say this happened let's say SoFi hits $10, right? Let's say SoFi hits $10 and SoFi hits $10 by July. So in the next 6 months, let's say SoFi goes up 47%. You would end up going 56%. So as long as SoFi goes up to, let's say $11, you'll be okay. 11 or up. Now let's go to Hood. But I presume that you're going to end up hitting 15 by the end of the year, and you're going to have around a 2.5 to 3.5x on what the share price is going up. Let's go to Hood. Let's do options calculator, January 2025. Let's go to a $25 strike, 65 cents. We're going to press a stock range, and we're going to do the range $15 to $25. This is it again. Let's say that Robinhood actually hits $20. At $20, Robinhood would be up 91%. Let's say that this would happen by October. You would be up 275%. So again, you're getting around 2.5 to 3.5x of where the actual stock price is going. Guys, I hope this in some way, shape, or form helps you as channel members. If you have questions, I cannot answer you unless you ask. I put in the money today for these Sofi and Robinhood. And when I sell them, I'll do my best to post a video of me selling it as well. Guys, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you so much for being channel members. I love you guys, and I'll see you this coming Wednesday for a channel member live. If you have any questions, always ask. Have a great day.